Well, I don't know. I am picking up that there will be a lot of excited things that will definitely come your way, but it's quite madami. And because this is a general reading right here, it could be anything for you guys, but I'm sensing that for a lot of you, this thing will definitely happen. And I'm sensing a lot of excitement and positivity from here. So, umpisa pa lang, no? Ang ganda na ng nakuha natin at na-sense natin rito na vibe ng energy. So, yeah. Hi and hello, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. I'm from the Philippines. Syempre naman, no, yan, nasabi ko na to, I'm from the Philippines kasi meron tayong isang channel yung All About Taurus, mga babes, no? English kasi dun. So, yun nga mga babes, meron tayong new channel, ang Dalnim channel, no? So, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-tambay doon, you might want to make tambay doon. Ang link niyan ay nasa description box, okay? So, doon ay collective readings, no? At Tagalog naman yung language natin doon. Dalnim, okay? So, naka-Korean yung alphabets there, no? Yung writings doon. So, Dalnim, okay? Goddess of the moon in Korean. Okay? Pero Tagalog yung readings natin dyan. So, you might want to check that out. Subscribe, like, and share. So, nakita ko dito mga Piyalukot dots. We have here the 8 of Wands energy and 9 of Pentacles. I'm seeing a very confident you. Or you will step in this very confident and abundant you. Prosperity is what I'm sensing. So positive na agad, no? And it's coming in pretty quickly, ha? And it's coming in really fast. 8 of Wands. Let's see. Just take how this resonates. You could be someone here na nagmo-multitask or you're doing here different things all at once, no? Pwedeng sa work, and then pwede rin naman na ikaw yung klase ng energy na habang nagwo-work nanonood, ganyan. Or whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates. But you are definitely embodying this King of Wands energy. Wala tayong gender. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you can flip those if you want. But definitely, this is your energy. I do not get that it's flippable here. King of Wands energy, ito yung klase ng energy mo na you are a goal-getter, go-getter. Like, you're not gonna say no, lalo na kapag gusto mo talaga yung isang bagay. You're gonna push, okay, na talagang gagawin mo yon. You're gonna make it happen. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out for you. Sweethearts. Balita. Balita yung nakikita ko dito mga babes na napaparating sa inyo. No? At maganda tong balita yun yung nakukuha natin. Agad-agad with the Ace of Swords energy right here. So, tinan natin rito ano pa mga pwede natin ditong malaman. So, you also have here this. Wow! Nine of Cups energy right here. So, whatever the case may be, kung ano man tong balita na to, no, it will bring that malaking ngiti, no, sa iyong labi right here, no. And for some reason, you feel like something here is paparating sa'yo no, na parang, ay, parang merong mangyayari sa aking maganda. Yan, no? Nararamdaman ko na merong mangyayari sa aking maganda. So, with the Ace of Swords energy and the Nine of Cups energy, I do see that this is you. You could be feeling it already, no? Na meron ditong isang magandang balita na paparating sa'yo, no? Kahit na wala pa man din ito ay iyo nang nararamdaman, no? At kapag lumilipas sa mga araw, mas lalo ritong tumitindi ang pakiramdam mo, napapalapit mo ng malaman, no, or marinig ang magandang balita na ito. So, ano ba yan, no? Ganda mga babes, no? I-claim nyo na agad ito. So, ilatag pa natin lahat. See, sabi ko sa inyo, we have here the Eight of Wands energy. This is the form of communication. Isang balita, no, na manggagaling, no, maaaring manggaling sa isang malayong lugar or pwede naman na matagal mo na itong iniintay, no, at ini-expect. Pero yun nga, hindi mo alam kung kailan talaga ito eksaktong darating at kung ano man 'tong magdadala ito ng malaking ngiti sa iyong labi, no? Isa itong form of communication at maaari mong matanggap 'no, sa pamamagitan ng mga, posibleng telegrama or sulat, post mail, puwede ring email, social media, platforms, Messenger, Viber 'no, whatever the case may be. Puwede rin naman na phone call or mismong tao yung magsasabi sa'yo. But isa itong magandang balita na magdadala ng galak talaga sa'yo 'no. So, nakikita natin 'yan dito ng malinaw na malinaw. Wow, ang ganda agad 'no. So, ilatag muna natin lahat. We have here the sun. This will definitely make you really, really happy, excited at the same time, and whatever it is, I'm sensing that there is some kind of a pregnant woman right here. Maybe you're expecting here a child. Pwede yung iba, iniintay nyo talaga dito is a child. But you know what, I'm picking more likely here. In general, most of you, the sun is an indication of ano man yan, magdadala yan no, ng malaking clarity sa buhay mo. Magdadala yan ng malaking liwanag 'no. Liwanag is that correlated to what word? Pag-asa 'no. So, magdadala ito ng malaking pag-asa sa buhay mo, isang bagay na noon pa man ay hinihiling mo 'no, meron kang desire na tinatangi 'no, ini-expect pero hindi mo alam kung kailan yun mangyayari, nagtitiwala ka lang 'no, na isang araw ito ay iyong makukuha, makakamit or matatanggap. At ito na nga yun 'no, with this Ace of Swords energy to the Eight of Wands, tuloy-tuloy na 'no, ang pagdating ng magandang balita na magdadala ng bright na future sa buhay mo in general 'no. Magiging happy rin ang pamilya mo at lahat ng mga taong minamahal, loved ones mo right here. So, let's keep moving right here. Yeah, see, we have here the Three of Cups energy, tagumpay it is. We also have here the Six of Swords energy, Wheel of Fortune right here, and there's this Queen of Pentacles. You know what I'm getting this? From this combination here, I'm picking up that this is you. Nararamdaman mo na unti-unti ka na talaga rito na parang, hala, siniswerte ako, sunod-sunod na swerte na yung dumadating sa buhay ko at alam ko na siswertehin pa ako. More, look at that, right at the middle of your reading. Tinan mo yung roleta na yan, no? Roleta na yan, nakikita mo ba yan? Merong love, serious commitment, meron rin naman na dream home, dream house, na meron din dito na wealth, and financial stability, good health, yan, no, falling stars indication of wish coming true that seems impossible. Sun is an indication of happiness, clarity, and revelation for others. Engagement is the symbol of ring, proposal might be business or love commitment. Book is the symbol of knowledge, inner knowing that you might use ideas, concepts that might excel here your life. And yeah, that heart is that committed love story that you're craving for. Yan, no, with someone really special. Maybe you are manifesting all of this and these are all coming up, no? Sunod-sunod na yun ang mangyayari sa buhay mo. Kaya nakikita ko na masasabi mo dito sa sarili mo na, ay, parang siniswerte ako. Simula nang matanggap ko ang magandang balita na ito, nararamdaman ko na magtutuloy-tuloy na, no, ang aking swerte. So, nakikita ko yun dito mga babes. Hindi nyo kinakailangan mga mahal, no, na magsuot at mag-purchase ng mga bracelets na pampaswerte or whatever, no. Pero kung gusto niyo yung gawin, syempre malaya kayong gawin yan. Pero dito nakikita ko na sapat na ang pananampalataya at paniniwala ninyo at pagkapit ninyo rito, no, sa prayers at wishes ninyo at hindi talaga kayo kumakawala na one day marireceive nyo yung ganitong klase, no, at darating kayo sa ganitong klase ng moment at ito na nga yun, no? Isang magandang balita ang paparating sa inyo at nakikita ko yon, bongga, tagumpay talaga 'to nakikita natin here for you guys. So yun nga 'no, nakikita ko dito na yung iba, isa itong magandang balita, puwedeng yung iba nag-e-expect dito ng child, pero new birth of new life talaga ito. Ibig sabihin panibagong clean slate or new blank canvas 'no, na ikaw dito mga babes 'no, ang gagawa ng sarili mo ritong life, okay. Kung ano yung plano na parang you're creating here your plano, nagiging arkitekto ka ng sarili mong buhay, nagiging engineer ka ng sarili mong buhay right here. Yung iba may kinalaman rito sa pag-travel or isang biyahe 'no, ang nakikita ko for you guys. Ang iba naman rito 'no, isang communication na sa matagal na nilang hinihintay rito na tao 'no. Yung iba naman puwedeng may kinalaman ito sa trabaho 'no, kung ano man 'yan, dahil halo-halo at isa itong general reading 'no, kahit ano pa 'yan magdadala ito ng malaking kaliwanagan kahalagahan sa buhay mo. Isang selebrasyon na nakikita ko rito na masasabi mo sa sarili mo na ito na yung umpisa ng pagbabago ng buhay mo at sunod-sunod na swerte ang paparating sa'yo. Wow! At kung ano yung paparating sa'yo with the energy here of Wheel of Fortune beside this Queen of Pentacles energy is an indication na yung paparating sa'yo no, is mananatili sa buhay mo. Nagkakaroon ito ng pagstay or this is something here na hindi mawawala sa'yo. No? Pera man yan o kung ano man yan no, na bagay na yan na lumalabas bilang wish fulfillment, long time desire, nakikita ko na hindi yan mawawala sa'yo at mananatili yan sa buhay mo. At dahil dyan, isa na yung hudyat no, na mararamdaman mo no, na unti-unti nang pumapasok ang swerte sa buhay mo. At nakikita ko dito na ngayon pa nga lang, di ba, nararamdaman mo na napaparating ng isang magandang balita like, parang feeling ko may mangyayaring maganda sa akin eh. Parang nararamdaman ko na meron talagang something na special na mangyayari sa akin eh. And yun nga, no, tama ka, meron nga rito talagang isang magandang balitang paparating sa'yo, no, at magtutuloy-tuloy at magsusunod-sunod pa ito. So ano ba yan, no? At nararamdaman mo yun, nakikinig ka sa iyong intuition, no? At ikaw ito na alam mo yon, nagtitiwala ka. Alam mo, basta magtiwala ka sa bagay na gusto mo mangyari as long as wala ka namang masasagasaan na ibang tao dyan. Ay, Gora na te. Continue to push it, diba? Continue to believe in that belief that whatever you desire, as long as it will make you grow and it will make your life more stable and beautiful and satisfied and contented, then just go for it. Diba? So, nakita ko rito, nararamdaman mo na magtutuloy-tuloy na yung swerte rito and you're right. And we have here this Eight of Pentacles energy and there's this Queen of Swords. I do pick up right here that, let's see, yeah, see, Eight of Pentacles energy together with the Queen of Swords. Alam mo kapag nagdesisyon ka na mag-focus pa at ipagpatuloy pa yung ganitong klase ng mindset, no, na sinamahan mo pa ng aksyon, nakikita ko na mamamangha ka pa sa mga paparating na mga tinuturing mong swerte sa buhay mo. Walang iba ang nagpapasok ng swerteng ito kundi ikaw mismo, babe. If you resonate in this reading, then claim this right away. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you na ikaw yung nagpapasok, you allow this what you so-called swerte to enter your life and sunod, sunod, sunod na yun. Wow, I don't know kung sino yung mga babes ko na makaka-resonate here, but I love what I'm seeing. This is so positive. This is so inspiring. This is so motivating. So keep doing what you're doing. If you feel that something special will come your way, then definitely don't jinx it, no, i-accept mo ito, no, yakapin mo with open arms, no, and welcome mo itong klase ng magandang energy na ito. Kung ano man yan, it will bring a lot of blessings and happiness into your life. And we have here the Nine of Wands energy, Knight of Swords. This is what I'm talking about. Effort. You're making a lot of effort to make this happen from here. Big success is coming your way. And this is a long time battle, no? Parang ito yung nilaban mo, no? Nilaban mo in a way na nagtiwala ka dyan sa pangarap mo, dyan sa wish mo na yan, no? Na parang kahit na anong mangyari, I believe that one day, this wish of mine will come true, will come to reality. And it's about to happen. And it's about to happen from here. And Eight of Wands is an indication that this is one of the fastest energy in the tarot. So, meaning to say you will not wait any longer right here. Like divine timing is so close. It's very near. Like it might happen within days for others of you as fast as that. And for others, it could, happen na ngayon. Okay? So, whatever the case may be, it could happen anytime pretty, pretty, pretty soon. So, whatever the case may be, this is something here great for you guys. This will really change your life. This is a game changer right here. I'm seeing you being proud of yourself. I'm seeing you getting emotional right here because this is you. This is all you want here for yourself. Especially those people who really love their family and gusto nila na mabago rito yung sitwasyon ng kanilang lives, then I'm seeing that happening here for you guys. And I'm also so proud of you. Because sa maraming mga taon, you've been fighting for this wish and you've been taking action on this one. So, Definitely you deserve this. Very strong yung message, very clear. I'm seeing that this is you. Ikaw ang nag-allow na papasukin ang swerte na ito sa buhay mo. Wow! So what are you waiting for? Claim this beautiful message right here and it's all yours. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweetheart. Thank you so much for your time and I'm so proud of you. Love and light and more blessings to come. I'm Neo.